Well, a lot of brokerages have come out with their 2025 outlook reports, and a host of them have a target on the two key indices of India, that is Nifty and Sensex. Firstly, on the Nifty, the highest target for 2025 is by Goldman Sachs of 27,000, followed by Jefferies with a target of close to 26,600. BofA has a target of 26,500, and then there is Jefferies, or then there is Citi also, which has a target of 25,000. The average target price is close to 26,275, and when it comes to Sensex, couple of the brokerages have a target on Sensex. Firstly, it's Morgan Stanley with a target of clearly 93,000. HSBC has a target of close to 90,520, which makes the average target on Sensex for 2025 at 91,760. Now let's listen into what the brokerages have to say on the Indian markets and what is the outlook when it comes to 2025. Firstly, HSBC is saying that the EPS growth will be skewed towards small and mid-cap stocks, and Bank of America believes that there could be the FI flows would continue to be weak, and however Indian markets would outperform the US markets, at least in the dollar terms. That is what Bank of America is expecting. Apart from that, if you look at HSBC, they are also saying that growth in Indian market continues to be robust, and they are saying that the EPS growth for the small and mid caps would be more than that of the large caps. As you can see here, they're expecting a growth of nearly 30% for the small and mid cap stocks, and a growth of just 12% on the EPS front for 2025 when it comes to large cap. Apart from that, Citi believes that there could be a potential recovery in the second half, and hence they have also upgraded their rating on cement to overweight. Apart from that, they are also overweight when it comes to financials, telecom, pharma, and they are underweight on sectors like discretionaries, consumer discretionaries, that is IT and metal sector. When it comes to Goldman Sachs, they are tactically neutral on India at this moment, but they favor select domestic, and they're also bullish on sectors like housing, agriculture, defense, tourism, and affluent India, and this is their medium-term bets currently. And apart from that, they also have a 3-month target on the benchmark, and that stands at close to 24,000. And when it comes to Morgan Stanley, they are overweight on financials, discretionary, industrials, and IT, which means that discretionary is a consensus buy at this moment coming in from most of the brokerages. Morgan Stanley, apart from these 4 sectors, is underweight on all the other sectors. They also have a bull case target price for Sensex, which stands at close to 1,05,000. And when it comes to Bank of America, they are mostly saying that despite the 7% correction that we have seen in the benchmark, Nifty continues to trade at an expensive valuation compared to other global indices. And apart from that, they're also saying that commodities, slower capital expenditure, and slower credit growth are the key risks when it comes to the Indian markets. And lastly, when it comes to Jefferies, they are saying that the investment upcycle has entered the 5th year and should go on for the next 4 to 5 years. They are overweight on sectors like telecom companies, two-wheelers, healthcare, real estate, IT, and power sector currently.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.